site number 2. Is that what that says? Can't walk in that one. Got it. Okay. We got fishing poles. Ice. And clothes. And noodles. Stuff for the pool. Ice cream. Camp chair. Cheap camp chairs.
Alright, I'll give you a call right back so we can discuss it, but I just need to check it.
There's that.
Yeah.
So we're here.
Well, we gotta do it for each tax now,
52.
too.
Nope.
Okay. Alright.
We're supposed to be in 52. Hi. I don't even see a 52, but we're supposed to be down there by the water.
What's the last name?
Brown?
Robert?
Yeah.
Y'all have any right on the wall?
52.
52 right now.
Yeah, so where is it? I don't even see it on here. 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 59, 60, 60.
54, 55, 56,
Oh, 52 is here.
So the squares that are all in front of you, those are all the 2-bedroom cabins, 17 through 23. And then that first row is a row of RVs.
Can we get one of the first rows, like 53 through 58, one of those?
So I've got 54 through 57 available.
All right, 54 is good.
54, okay. And were you guys good seeing our military?
Good Sam, I believe that.
I don't know if we're good soon. Ice cream snack shop. Shuffleboard.
Big old storage area.
Speed bump.
Got all kinds of sites up
Here's a little dog park. Fenced in area.
there. Huh?
This little area right here. And there's a doggy, 2 doggies. Yeah, this place ain't too busy. He's blowing dirt over there.
Huh?
He's blowing dirt. I don't think we'll see any deer in this one. They got their cabins over there. More cabins. And there's the cabins and there's the lake.
Almost full readings.
Yeah, they're poultries. Sides 53 through 61. We're in 54, close to that area over there on that side.
Right, so power boxes are on the left. We're 52.
54. It's gonna be on this side. Second one from the bottom back. on this side. No, Layla, on this side. No, no, yes, good. All right, Palmetto Shores. Palmetto Shores. Day 2 on our month-long journey. Come on. Levi. Pool's open. Uh-oh. Got a pooper. Come here. I think I'm gonna put my bathing suit on. Come on, poopers. Yeah, this is a pretty nice little building here. Lazy River. Where's he at? Yep, they were arrested. Get the whole place to ourselves. Yeah. I think she said it opens tomorrow though. I don't think it's open today.
Thought that was their restaurant.
It's okay, we'll do our pork chops tonight and we'll eat there tomorrow night. And then we leave the next day. Hold your feet up. Allowed in the pet enclosure. What's the difference? Same temperature.
Yeah.
Actually, this feels a little colder. Woo!
Yeah, Layla would be loving that one.
Yeah, the little kiddie pool.
We'll walk that off.
Yeah, it says no pets. Yeah, that feels good. Oh. Come on, you can let him out. They're not going nowhere. Come on. Come on, Layla. Come on, Layla.
Lay.
Come on, Layla. Come on, Layla. There she is. That's a good girl. Yay, we're back. Yay, we're back. All right, here you go. Here you are, Levi. I wonder when they're gonna come for come here. Wonder when they're gonna come and give us our wood.
Dad told me I gotta take pictures.
Yeah. It's a little bit cooler out here. So these people come in, their tires are off the ground. Bobby thinks you're supposed to have something under the tires, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeehaw! Yay! Yeah, kick it up.
What are y'all doing?
Kicking up mud in my
What are y'all
four-wheel
doing?
drive. Kicking up mud. They get so happy when they pee-pee.
Walk out on that pier.
Yeah, I think you gotta go down this way. What? Oh, he'll pee. He's already been down here once.
You got some smells in them bushes, Levi. Oh my goodness. Who's smelling who?
There we go. All right, little weasel.
You gonna try it, Layla?
Come on. Yee, watch out. Don't stand behind them. They'll kick dirt all over you. Come on now. Come on now. There's a duck. There's another egret.
Alright, so let me get a picture of this.
Want to get a picture of the duck? Or the sun on the water?
Hold on here for a sec. I know you got your hands full.
Here,
I'm gonna try to do it without it.
I got 2 fingers. Oh, all the cabins? Yeah. Get a picture of the sun. Nope. Went behind the clouds. Come on, let's go walk out on the pier. On the dock. Take a picture of the snake bird?
Huh?
You gonna take a picture of that bird?
Why we got them all the time?
Not here. All right.
Seen the squirrel. Went up that tree.
He's up the tree. He's way up there now. I know it. She's exercising. There goes that duck.
Nice. Got to pull them wigglers out of the
Fridge.
refrigerator.
They won't be wiggling, will they?
They'll be good. It'll still work when they thaw out.
Look at that place. Looks like a sandpiper. Little bird over there. She said right down here in this corner, it's always fish. All kinds of fish.
Especially in the summer, this place gets used quite a bit. Come here, camp, put your boat out.
Yeah.
Right here is where she said you always get something.
Mm-hmm.
That's really in some corner.
Yeah. I believe it. We'll try it in a little bit.
Bad right now until that damn sun comes out.
Yeah, this is pretty nice. They got the little boat slips in there. Ooh, what's that? Why is that up
They
here?
got the mussels in here. That's what keeps the water clean.
Oh, big. Look at, never even seen one that big. Not around it. How come it's up here though?
Somebody got it. Bird, something.
Oh yeah, it's just a shell.
That was a big one.
Yeah, it was. Look at that leaf. Wow, that's pretty.
It's a pretty picture.
Yeah. Breezy, got some breeze. Come on. Oop. They got window units in that place.
Yeah, these people ain't up there central air and heat.
They got two of them in the same room.
Yep. You could make a living up here.
Well, not doing AC work, I
Well,
guess.
they probably use it, but on the water like that, they don't need it. Feel that breeze?
In the heat of summer, I'm sure it's pretty hot.
What y'all doing? You wanna go down there? No? Come There's that damn sun again. Nice floating docks.
Yeah. Ooh, it stinks like fish.
Yeah, up back there.
Need to replace some wood. Fall through this at any point. You can jump off over there and get right back on.
Yeah, you can't even get around it right now over to this side. So the water must come way up into there.
Yeah.
I got a feeling this place raises real high. Because normally what happens in the winter months, the snow melts,
Uh-oh.
so then everything gets flooded.
Oh.
Evidently. Power's working along.
Let's walk down here. This way. Yeah, all this wood's relatively new compared to that stuff.
Yeah, they put new boards on or re-screwed them one.
No, these are new. Oh, newer than those.
Deadpool were fairly new. Been in a couple of years. They look about like ours do at the house.
I know.
Why you got some duct tape on the panel box? It's probably one we flew over, Mark. Looking out the airplane. See that? See that? We come back through here
We did.
eventually.
Yeah, we flew from
Don't go down there. Oh, it's dangerous.
New York. Where was it? They flew us from Canada over to New York and then down to Florida.
What y'all think of this?
Tag them in your photo experience. Did you take a picture?
That's one of the.
Oops.
That's one of the things.
Oh yeah. The scavenger hunt.
Scavenger hunt. It shows you where they're at.
All right. Well, we should just go around and look at all of them. It's a good walking trip.
Yeah, we're gonna see what
Oh, okay. Buoys. Never mind.
reserve Palmetto Shores. So see, this does share with the KOA,
Yeah, I'm sure.
and then that's Palmetto Shores over there. That is beautiful, though.
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Pretty nice little place. Yeah, it could use a little repair. Come on, guys.
Yeah, so them docks must come up quite a bit. That's why they got this dock. It probably comes up to this height.
Well, we won't see, but when the hurricane, if it comes through here, it probably would.
Could you imagine? Because then it'd be up to
It
there.
is a really big lake.
There's a seawall.
Mm-hmm.
And look how high all them docks are. I smelled everything.
Yeah, it's good. They're enjoying themselves.
We done went down there, Levi.
Yeah, he smelled it. Alright. Well, we get to experience the whole beginning of fall into its full term. That'll be very nice. Look at all this new wood.
They were keeping it here. As they got down there, they give up on it. Put that one in backwards. Should be flipped over.
Who's to say? Yeah, I guess this was all water. Cause look, they even have a ladder right there.
Yep. Get down there with a rototiller before the damn water comes in, then you have a nice beach. All that green that go out of here. It'll take it a month after you did it.
Woo! The lake house. Yeah, that was pretty nice. Turn that into a restaurant between two campgrounds.
Yeah. Layla, don't let him go pee.
Yeah, I know. Somebody's hanging out at the pool.
That's pretty neat seeing the highway across there.
Is that a turtle? Or is that a stick? Is that a turtle out there?
Mm-hmm.
Is it 3 turtles? 4 now? 5?
What the hell are you seeing?
All those things popped up. See them? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, okay.
Behind the
Yep.
big one.
Yep, there he is. I didn't see all them heads.
I didn't see them all at first either, but then I was reading that sign. I was looking out there. There looks like a lot of turtles, or unless they're sticks sticking up. There's another one, a couple there.
What does it say? There's a bunch of turtles?
No, it says alligators and snakes in the area. Do not feed the wildlife.
I did wonder if they had alligators.
I guess they have alligators.
They'd be up in that little side camp. Might have to get another beer.
Yeah, we'll stop by and get another one, and then we'll go look at the pet park. Oh yeah, we can walk around that way.
I ain't worried about dog park. Them dogs, they don't need dog park.
I know.
I'm happy just walking. I see them when they come in with you.
Yeah.
They're whooped. You guys got his tea time down. He's like, gotta do it immediately or it don't happen. Because Layla drags him off. Unless
And that's
she's
the story
interested.
of Levi and Layla.
Look, she'll drag him off. No, she's interested in this area.
Uh-oh.
There's a bunch.
Yep, somebody's up on the private residence. Hanging out with me. This way. This way. And this way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Good to go. All right, we're back at camp.
with Daddy.
Uh-oh. Okay, there she goes.
Yeah. I ain't scared.
Levi's
I ain't
like,
got no alligators
please,
like we got.
please. You don't know that. I don't really think you know that.
Ain't nobody got alligators.
In Florida?
Anytime you be in trouble if one's right there at you. I don't think they got near as many. Oh, I see something popping up out there, big head.
Huh.
You want me to go get it?
No, I don't know what that is. Look at all the little things that you were talking about.
Yeah, that's there used to be all over in Lake Harris. Lake Harris was crystal clear.
Look at this thing.
And mussels are
And there's
everywhere.
garbage. Yeah,
Ski
there's some
beach.
big ones. See that one over there?
They were in ski beach everywhere.
Yeah, the birds like to eat them. Look at all the birds. All the bird footprints all over the dirt. What happened, Levi? Oh, Levi is all twisted up. He's twisted up. There you go. There you go. That's it. Wow. We're gonna have to do that again. Rinse all this shit off.
Pretty pictures of the cabins too.
Who's that?
Bay City, Florida.
Huh. There's another alligator sign.
There's a boat ramp. I don't want to
Aquatic weed warning. No diving from docks. Huh.
So what they got? What's in the base of the future?
said 25 inches on a striped bass. That was put out by the EPA.
EPA, the little sex fuckers.
Close them down. Oh, look, wild hibiscus. Huh. Wait, what are you doing? Why are you pulling me like that? I'm not ready to go anywhere yet. Woo.
Highway noise sucks.
Yeah, we're right along the side of the highway.
Yeah.
But we're heading somewhere else. We're not, this isn't our destination.
Shit.
Oh my
Y'all
God.
realize you're getting in the bathtub tonight, even if we just hose you down.
Yeah, we're gonna have to hose them down. Although, I don't think that's sewage water, but it looks like it. Catch and release pond. There's another turtle right there. See that little pile of grass right past it?
Yeah.
It's really checking it out. It's not going down. Ah! Oh no! Dance on me. Wow. All right, I'm coming. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, got some stuff in there.
Got some crap in there now. That's redneck stuff. Old TV stand. Gotta burn it before the storm gets here. It'll all be wet.
He said that'll be better. Where is he? Yep, can't really tell, but all right.
How you doing?
Hey.